guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Guys, today I am in West Palm. I'm here with my daughter and my grandson. I'm spending some time with them before I go home. I'm not at home as yet, but my daughter is a businesswoman. She's a businesswoman. She has a business of her own, and today she's having a photo shoot. She's setting up for a photo shoot, and we're getting everything together. So I kind of want to take you guys along with me so you would see exactly what it is that she's doing over here. Let's go. First, let me just give you a quick view of the surroundings. Oh, that's my pretty girl right there. Say hello.
Hello.
Hi. Okay, so she's doing her photo shoots today. It's a branding shoot that she's doing, and so she's setting up the table. The photographer is not here yet, so I'm helping her set up before the photographer gets here to take the pictures. So the florist just dropped off some flowers. Aren't those pretty? Very pretty. So we're here setting the table. So your girl is helping to set up. So this is what it looks like right here. So this is what we're using. These are the plates right here.
Take a quick video for me, Mom.
Huh?
Can you take a quick video for me?
Yes. Oh, we need two more. We're short two. Guys, I'm here. I'm her helper today, helping her set up. So as you can see, we're setting up just this section. The table is a bit longer than we had expected. We expected the table to be a little bit shorter, so we left home with a certain amount, 6 of everything, so we cut it in half. So when the photographer take the picture, she should take it hopefully from this angle and get all of that instead of getting this, because as I said, we didn't realize the table was going to be this long. So let's go get, I think we're missing like 2 small plates and the napkins. So let's get those. Let's go get those. I'm helping my baby today, girls. She asked me when I was in Barbados, she said, "Mommy, can you come back a little bit early so you can help me?" And I said, "Sure, I will be back." And here I am. So we're gonna take off the bread plates because we only have. We're gonna keep those.
We'll keep the ones
One
that
at
are
the end.
the ones that are visible, like noticeable. We'll keep. There's really no space for it on that one anyway.
Oh.
Alright. Napkins.
Wait a minute.
Don't get it too close.
Okay.
Cute.
Very cute. Cutesy cutesy. I thought mosquitoes over here are tearing me up right now.
Uh-oh.
I need some mosquito repellent. Okay. For me, I can turn this off now. Okay. Okay, we gotta get a couple more things. We gotta get the place cards and a couple other things. So let's go.
Macaroons and the cherries. Wait, what
did you get cherries?
No, we got macaroons. What did we get? Grapes.
oranges.
Oh, the limes.
Did you bring a
Can
knife?
you grab the lime? Shoot. Can you see if they have a knife?
Okay.
And the lime.
Guys, when you're taking stuff places, you try to remember and think of everything, but there's always something that you forget all the time. So we have some knives and some oranges. Let's see if we have a knife. It's a bit dark in here. Don't mind the darkness. Do you want me to cut these in half?
Let's just do the limes right now. I don't think I want the oranges.
No? Okay.
Yeah, just do the limes.
Just the limes?
Do the limes and the lemons, please.
So you said just cut them in half?
Yeah, just in half for now.
Okay. You want all two or just one?
But all of them.
All of them.
I'm an asymmetry girl,
Yeah.
so I would just have where do you know?
Okay. Here's our lemon.
Let's put a few of those. Oh my god. Is my face melting off already?
No, your face is not melting.
Love it.
Like that.
Yep. Perfect.
Let's put two on this side.
Ooh, my shoe came off.
Oh.
They smell good.
They do smell very citrusy. Is that mine right there? Can't tell from these things.
Yep. Looks good.
I think I'll put the limes. No, let's just throw them in there.
Yeah. Just kind of roll them
Are you going to be mostly taking from this side, you think?
in. I'll probably go from both sides, so.
Okay.
Just to.
You got one more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Beautiful.
And then we have macaroons for that gravy.
So you definitely don't want the oranges?
Yeah. I'll pass on the oranges.
No? Okay. Where's the macarons? Did you
They're
bring
in the
them out?
Trader Joe's. Trader
Okay,
Joe's
I'll
bag.
get them. I'll take this stuff back.
Put this
They
side.
exist.
Macaroons, she's gonna add these to the table.
Once everything's set up, I'll probably do pictures too of you like replacing
Okay,
things,
yeah.
and we'll like fake it.
Yeah,
So it
that
looks
works.
like you're-
And maybe you can film when she's doing that for reels.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what colors are we gonna roll with here. Is it okay to mix and match?
Yeah, I like the orange and the pink too, honestly.
Yeah.
I think the colors. Let's see. I don't know, even the green. I don't know, I like the colors.
I mean, we might as well, right?
They
we have
go,
all these other
right?
colors
Like-
going with it.
Yeah. They're still like pretty neutral,
Yeah.
really
Mm-hmm.
cute.
Oh my god, it's so yummy. You want one?
Okay, I just got in my mouth. I might eat one after.
Is that too many?
I normally like things in odd numbers. So there's
So like there's 6.
yeah.
Which one would you remove? This one or this white one?
You wanted the center, but that's not very pretty.
This one?
I kind
maybe
of
not, I
like
don't
the
know.
lighter of rather than
This
the
one?
dark.
This one?
Yeah. There's not really any tones like
Very
yeah.
nice.
Okay.
They are beautiful.
Cute.
I'm gonna take one then.
Here, eat this one. You like this flavor.
I like this flavor. What flavor is
That's
this
the
again?
caramel.
Pictures when she got all the flowers yesterday and she was like, I can't wait to create. Maybe that one a little more like out the end. Yeah. Those are cute.
Put in your password.
Whoops. It's so, this whole property is just like,
Okay, guys, we changed our mind. We're gonna use the oranges.
Word, but like the flowers just pull everything
yeah,
together.
they do. They really
It's
do.
beautiful.
It's, yeah.
Yeah, I like the orange.
Okay.
The one over here. Yeah, if you do it like right there, I think. Yeah. It's done. Yeah. Yep.
Oh, so pretty.
Gorgeous.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh, I'm so glad we're gonna do these on a kind of recurring basis. It's so pretty.
I know. I'm very excited. I'm actually doing at my full-time job. They're doing a blog on me right now. Well,
Nice.
like they do it on everyone, and we've hired a lot of new people, so it's my turn now. And I'm like focusing on me like getting into the brand space a little bit. So,
Mm-hmm.
tell me if I'm in your way.
I should probably tell you I'm a YouTuber,
Amazing.
and so I just want to make sure, is it okay if you are in my video?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
I like to make sure of that
Thank
first
you for asking. I
yeah.
appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
Is this where you get your creativity from Mama?
Oh, I'm not as creative as her.
She's humble. She was in Barbados, and it's like every day, it's like somebody recognized her, and she's on Good Morning Barbados, and she's on the cover of the magazine.
That's amazing. I love that. I love that. I was telling her we actually went to
Barbados.
Barbados on my honeymoon,
Oh my
which was my
gosh.
first time. Well, we weren't there like full time. We were on a cruise, so it was
So you
just
just
one of the
stopped
ports. Yeah, but I told
Mhm.
her
That's
it was
amazing.
beautiful.
So now
We
you
loved
have
it.
to.
That was actually one of the places that I grew up cruising a lot, and my husband, that was his first time out of the country, first time on a cruise, so it was like really
exciting.
awesome.
Mhm.
Yeah.
But that was probably one of our favorite places. We said that we would like go back.
Okay.
So now I have a connection, so I can ask
Definitely,
you some
definitely.
local places, good
And you-
places, because that's definitely, we loved it.
And you know what? While I was there, I went around Barbados and I videotaped a lot of places that people should go if they come to visit. So you can take a look at that.
Oh, amazing. I
Yes,
will,
yes.
absolutely.
There's a
You're gonna feel like a million different
No, I know. I get it. It's nice to just be around other creators because nobody's judging you for what you're doing. We all get it, you know what I mean? Like,
She's gotta do, she gotta do.
yeah.
It's pretty. She did a good
Oh,
job.
it's beautiful.
So you do weddings and all that?
Yes, I got into the wedding space in COVID.
Mm-hmm.
I was in school, and
Mhm.
then I've dabbled in some brand photography here
Mhm.
and there. I love working with brands, especially like personal branding.
Okay.
I think it's so awesome to get to work with other small businesses and
Yeah.
get her face out there and help her grow while she's helping me grow.
Yes,
so
networking.
It's a win-win for everybody.
Of course. That's always good.
Yes.
Yeah, you gotta get your name out there, your brand, network with other people.
Yes.
That's good.
Yeah. So
Mhm.
I love weddings, but
Mhm.
it's a long day. It's a hard day.
I would imagine,
Um,
yeah. I see sometimes when actually start, this is like months sometimes preparing and prepping.
It is a lot of prep work for
Yeah.
sure.
And then on the day of is like anxiety. Because you want to make sure everything, especially if you're taking pictures for brides, you want to make sure everything comes out.
Yeah.
That's her special day. You want to make sure everything turns out nicely. Ashley's getting ready for her photo shoot. Making sure everything fits nicely. Her dress. Very pretty, baby. I like the color too. You don't want it off the shoulder?
I do, but it doesn't sit right for
Oh,
some
okay.
reason.
Very nice. Okay. I'm not gonna follow you in the toilet.
Okay, let me fix myself.
So this is the place that we're doing the photo shoot. This is a huge place. It is big. It's a little fireplace over there. And it goes up the stairs. I'm gonna run up the stairs real quick, just nosy and see how it's situated up here, so I could show you guys. Okay, so in here we have twin beds in here. So if you have some kids, if you rented this place, in here we have a king size bed. Simple. Whatever is that up there? Okay. In here, that's a queen size bed. Lots of rooms. You have a toilet here and a shower. Okay. So let's go back down the stairs. My shoes are keeping noise. Sorry about that. So this is the living room here. This is the dining room where we have all our stuff. And
Where's my phone, Mommy?
it was on the table.
Where?
It was over there.
Outside?
Oh, you had it outside.
Oh.
But I thought you brought it back inside. Like a little patio area to sit. Got it?
Yep.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay. Ashley's going to take her pictures now. Let's
I want
follow.
you to film on my phone.
Okay. Let's follow her.